Hello, in this video we're going to continue with the section 6.2. So we're going to go over the prefix and postfix notation. So a pre-order traversal of a tree as seen here give this expression multiply plus 2x4. So this is the pre-order. That's because the operation is first. Here the operation simple proceed its operand. This form of an expression is called prefixed, and sometimes we call it Polish notation. Post-order traversal gives the expression 2x plus, so it's post-order. What does it mean? The order of the operation is at the end, post. Okay, and sometimes we call it reverse Polish notation. So reverse Polish notation is post-order or postfixed. So neither the prefix postfixed form required parentheses, only infixed required parentheses. So let's see this example. So what we have write the prefix and postfix notation of this expression. So this expression is given as infixed, okay, in order. Okay. So what I did, I drew a tree because you have 3 divided by 4, and then take this, add it to, and the parentheses you have 2 minus y. So what you do is, if you need the prefix, that means the operation is at the beginning, or I may say the node needs to be at the beginning, so the node left, right, everywhere. And then just like previous examples, we follow these steps. The node, copy the node, go left, then you go right. And if I do this, I will get this operation, which is the prefixed. And for the postfixed, what does it mean? Post, that means the operation at the end. That means the node is at the end. So similarly, I just need to write the node at the end. And we follow the steps, okay? So we do left, right, then you copy the node. You do left, right, copy the node, left, right, copy the node, and so on. So if you follow the steps, go left, okay, go left, and then you copy 3, and then go up, you go right, and then you copy 4, just like seen here, and then so on and so forth, and we get this postfix notation. Again, infix notation needed parentheses, as you could see here. So for example, here is the infixed, here is the tree, straightforward. So let's see this example, write the infixed postfix notation. So here is what we have. So since they ask for infix and postfix, that means what we have here is prefix. As you see, there is operation. This is basically prefix notation. So if I look at it carefully, here is what I have. I have this, okay. I also have 2 plus 3, and then I have these two. If I change my color, gonna be multiplied, and then everything else will be subtract 7 from it. So a little bit challenging, but you have to look at it and see what is it gonna give us. So what we have here is prefix, which is the Polish notation. So if I follow these steps, here is what I have. I have 2 times plus 3, right? I have 2 plus 3, and I have 6 times x, and these two, they need to be multiplied together, and then you subtract 7 from it. So basically this is the infix, basically, or the tree. So the infix is very simple. That's what the intuitive things we do. So as you see, 2 plus 3, I could put parentheses and then multiply that with 6 times x. Then I need bracket and then minus 7. Okay, so that is the infixed. For the postfixed, that means do the operation at the end. So either you could follow postfix, meaning left, right, then copy the node. Okay, so we could follow the steps left, right, copy node, and then once you do all of that, you will get 2, 3 plus 6x times, and between them another multiplication, and then 7, and then subtract. So either you do the operation at the end for postfix, or you follow the steps left, right node, and then you'll see you will get into this postfix notation. I hope this is helpful.